So here we are. We is trying to do this. One end's fucking not right, but there's a magnet. Trying to untangle it all at the minute. Get all entangled as you do. There it is. See what shit we can find. It'd be cool if we found, well, I very much doubt anything. World War II would be around here or anything like that. Or anything of any value. But yeah, it's worth a shot. We'll give it a try. It's all new still, you see. Figuring this shit out.
At this point, I'm just going to throw the whole thing in.
Oh yeah?
No.
No. Fuck, did I get it tangled up like that?
Oh, that's really silty there.
Yeah.
See the black of the water.
Very shitty bad. Shitty bad indeed. Branches and shit were there.
It's too shallow, babe, this pond.
Yeah.
Oh. No, you've done it.
That's too strong.
Do you want me to get it off?
Yeah.